Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free Neo4j Graph Data Science certification 2026. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for that. Now become a certified Graph Data Science professional with the Neo4j. That is a 100% free certification is there. Want to learn one of the most powerful modern database technologies used by the top companies worldwide. This free Neo4j Graph Data Science certification is the perfect opportunity for the developers, data scientists, AI engineers, software engineer, and student to level up their skill and boost their resume. What is the graph database? GraphDB. So a graph database store data as the node, relationship, and properties instead of the traditional tables and rows. It is specially designed to manage high connected data efficiently. Graph databases make the relationship analysis extremely fast and intuitive. What is the Neo4j? Neo4j is the world leading native graph database platform used to the connected data and graph analytics, AI applications, and recommendation systems. It uses the powerful Cypher query language and enables ultra fast travelers of connected data. So why Neo4j is different from the traditional database? Traditional SQL database uses the table and joins. Neo4j store data as the connected graphs. Relationships are stored directly, faster for the complex and connected queries, better performance for the relationship heavy data, easier data modeling and the real world and network, perfect for the AI, ML and recommendation systems. So benefits of graph databases. So lightning fast relationship queries, flexible schema design, better visualization of the data connections, ideal for graph AI and machine learning, real-time fraud detection, scalable for the high connected application, and better insight from the connected data set. So real world cases. So recommendation engines, there is a Netflix and Amazon style, fraud detection system, social media networking, knowledge graphs, cyber security and threat detection, supply chain optimization, network analysis, and AI and graph machine learning, and path finding and route optimization. Next is the Neo4j Graph Data Science certification exam details. So official Neo4j certification duration is 60 minutes and there is a question is 40 questions, passing score is 80%, exam type multiple choice, graph data science concept. Mode is online and self-placed. So no proctoring required. Unlimited retakes, one attempt every 24 hours. Beginner friendly and shareable certificate for the LinkedIn and resume, and this is 100% free. So recommended for the preparation course, Neo4j Fundamental, Introduction to Neo4j Graph Data Science, Neo4j Graph Data Science Fundamental, Path Finding with the GDS, and Cypher is fundamental. So topic covers in this exam. So graph data and data science are fundamental, graph algorithm, Cypher queries, centrality algorithm, similarity algorithm, path finding, graph machine learning, Neo4j GDS workflow, in-memory graph projections. So this certification is best for the developer, data scientists, AI ML engineers, students, cyber security professional, and data analyst. Why you should take this certification? So this industry recognized credential, learn one of the hottest database technologies, and this is great for the AI ML career, resume and LinkedIn post. No cost, completely free, hands-on learning with the modern graph technology. So certification link is 100% free. You can go with this link. Let me open this link. So accept cookies. So prove your graph data science credential with an certification from Neo4j. So there is the option sign in and register to take your exam. Other exam details you can find above. And prerequisites are there Neo4j fundamental introduction to Neo4j graph data science. And if you click here, this is a link and you can go through the course. So this is the course and course details are there. Now, so we are here concentrate of the regarding the certification. So click here. You can sign up and you can continue with the Google. So I'm just for the testing purpose, I'm going with the continuous with the Google, and let me go with the my email address, password. Let me give the permission. So now let me open the link again. I don't want to go from here. Close this. Let me open. So now directly we have logged in. You can get your details here. 1 hour exam. There is a certification. Prove your graph data science, and there is options to take exam. So click here. So exam is started. So there is a one of 50 questions are there. So all the questions and submit answer one by step. You have to go for the this certification. So in this video, we have learned how to become a certified graph data science professional with the Neo4j. This is a 100% free step-by-step process I have shown to you. Finally, disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logos, name belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I will reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. Thank you.